Good morning, Emily, Alex. Thank you for joining this meeting. Today, I want to discuss the review processes we'll be implementing to monitor performance in our coffee shop. We've identified two key approaches, 360-degree feedback and the top-down methods. Let's start with a brief overview. 360-degree feedback. This approach involves feedback from various sources, including peers, supervisors, customers, and employees themselves. The aim is to provide a well-rounded view of each team member, helping us understand attitudes and behaviors comprehensively. Sounds comprehensive, but how does it work in practice? Great question, Eric. It works by collecting input from multiple perspectives. For example, you might receive feedback from your colleagues, supervisors, and even customers. We'll also encourage self-assessment, allowing each team member to reflect on their own performance. This diverse input helps paint a holistic picture of each individual. How often will we go through this process? Good point, Alex. We'll conduct 360-degree feedback annually to ensure we have a consistent but comprehensive evaluation. It's not just about assessing performance, it's about fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Top-down method. Now, let's talk about the top-down method. This is a more traditional approach where I, as your manager, meet with each of you individually to discuss performance, provide constructive feedback, and identify areas for improvement or development. How is this different from the 360-degree feedback? Excellent question, Eric. While the 360-degree approach gathers input from various sources, the top-down method is a more direct and personal interaction between you and me. It's a chance for one-on-one discussions about performance, goals, and any support or resources you might need. How often will these meetings happen? Good question, Alex. The top-down reviews will be conducted quarterly. This frequency allows us to have more focus and frequent check-ins to ensure that we're staying aligned with our goals and addressing any challenges promptly. Open floor for questions. What if there are discrepancies between feedback from different sources in the 360-degree process? Excellent point, Eric. If there are discrepancies, we'll use those as opportunities for discussions. It's normal to have varied perspectives, and these differences can help us uncover blind spots and areas for improvement. We'll work together to find common ground and set achievable goals. Can we request additional feedback if we feel it's necessary? Absolutely, Alex. This process is designed to be collaborative. If you feel the need for additional feedback or have specific areas you want more insight into, we can absolutely accommodate that. The goal is to create an environment where everyone feels supported and heard. Closing. Thank you for engaging in this discussion. These review processes are tools to help us all grow and succeed. If you have any more questions or thoughts, feel free to reach out. Let's make our reviews not just a performance assessment but a meaningful part of our journey toward excellence.